na-appreciate ko, na-appreciate nila yung ginagawa ko. Nakita nila, na-notice nila. Actually, it was my second time receiving this from their office last 2022, October 13, I also received the same award. No? And sabi ko, I could not just accept this without telling you, bakit ako na-awardan nito? So, kasi outspoken ako, I've been speaking up against the many things that are taking place, no, especially during these pandemic years. Pinarecall ko sa kanila yung ginawa ko nung in-interview ako sa Congress nung nag-propose ako na as early, that was March 30, 2021. Huwag na natin labas yung vaccine na yan kasi matatapos na yung pandemic. Basta magbigay tayo ng ivermectin sa mga tao. Of course, hindi sila nakinig. Tapos binigay ko yung proof. Pagdating ng October, dumating yung Delta variant sa India. At ang taas-taas ng daily new cases nila. Maabot ng 30,000. I had the chance na mag-Zoom meeting sa mga doctors sa India. Sabi ko, ikalat nyo yung ivermectin. Napatunayan yung sinasabi ko. In just 2 weeks time nga lang, sa kanila talagang bumaba ang cases nila. In 2 months, wala ng cases. So sabi ko, ito talagang solusyon sana. Pero that was past. This time, ang problema natin, itong vaccine na ni-roll out nila, kaya naglinger pa yung problema. Pero this time, hindi lang yun. Ang daming mga tao na nabakunahan, nagkakaroon ng maraming problema. Sabi ko, of course, this is an infamous message. Kasi nabakunahan kayo, pero hindi ko kayo, kasi gusto kong manakot ng tao, gusto kong sabihin. Meron man, dito ngayon ng activities ko, we are providing solutions to detoxifying the ill effects of this vaccine and also providing treatment to better the health of the injured, as well as all people suffering from chronic illnesses. No? So, yun ang ano ko. Tapos minention ko kahapon lang kasi dito naman sa SMX, I also had a 1-hour lecture tungkol sa orthomolecular approach to the treating of major killer illnesses or killer diseases. No? So that was it. Then I thank them, of course.
Napakagandang advocacy po para makatulong sa mga kapwa nating Pilipino.